Toyota stock rising today on news that it's seeing strong demand from the US and Europe and that it's hit a car-making milestone. Let's bring in our autos reporter, Pras Subramanian, who's been looking at those numbers. Pras, what are you seeing?
Hey, how's it going, Rochelle? So yeah, Toyota, big year for them so far. Talking about how they smashed an annual production record. So looking through here from a production standpoint, from January to November of this year, Toyota's global output hit a record of 9.23 million vehicles from a production standpoint. From a sales point of view, also, they expect sales for Toyota and Lexus vehicles globally to hit 10 million in 2023. That's pretty huge there. And the month of November, actually, they had a big month, sales up 13.6%. So they're sort of hitting on all cylinders here. Pretty remarkable for Toyota. You know, they were once criticized for maybe going too slow from an EV standpoint. They're actually showing that, hey, actually, there's a lot of demand here for our vehicles across the board, from high-end Lexus to all the way down to the cars like the Corolla, which are actually not EVs. And they're also showing that hybrid-powered cars are doing well here. That's what people want these days across the globe, it seems. And also, Toyota's designs are improving. The new hybrid Prius looks really good. They have some new sports cars like the 86 and things like that people are sort of resonating with them. And buying a car is still an emotional decision. So that's sort of why we're seeing Toyota here maybe do well, not just from a practicality standpoint, but also a design standpoint.
So, Pras, though, you used an analogy. You said all firing on all cylinders. Let's use another one. It might not be all systems go when you think about Toyota, because we have this news out today that Daihatsu, this is a car maker, Japanese car maker owned by Toyota, has had to halt production after admitting that it had falsified some data and safety tests, and this had been going on for decades, apparently. So what is the story there?
So Daihatsu, which is a maker of cars for Toyota that they own, but also make cars for, I believe, Mitsubishi and other companies in places like Malaysia, Japan, in Asia, stuff like that. They admitted to the fact that they falsified some of these crash test safety records, talking about how, quote, an internal investigation found that there was tremendous pressure on workers to meet their sales goals and not halt production. And also, you see here the quote here from Daihatsu CEO Soichiro Okudaira saying that at the press conference last week, we betrayed the trust of our customers. All the blame's on the management. I want to say that his name again, Soichiro Okudaira. I want to be careful about that.
Good.
So basically saying management was to blame for this. We pushed the workers to release these cars. We knew the tests were not safe. It's really a huge black eye for Daihatsu and even Toyota in their local market. So not good there. Production is going to stop through the end of January with 9,000 workers affected.
All right.
We'll certainly continue to track that story. Thank you, as always, our very own Pras Subramanian.